Welcome to the verb go.
In this lesson, we will conjugate verb to go in the present tense and we will use it in meaningful sentences. The hint is ذهب يذهب. We will focus on the second word, yadh-habu, since we are conjugating the present tense. Then we need to remove the prefix ya and the ending u and add the present prefixes and endings. So, أنا أذهب, أنت تذهب, أنت تذهبين, هو يذهب, هي تذهب, نحن نذهب, أنتم تذهبون, and هم يذهبون. Let's put it together. أنا أذهب إلى المطار. أنت تذهب إلى المكتب. نحن نذهب إلى الشركة. In this lesson, we conjugated verb to go in the present and we use it in meaningful sentences.
Welcome to the verb go negative.
In this lesson, we will conjugate verb not to go in the present tense and we will use it in meaningful sentences. As said, the hint is ذهب يذهب and we shall focus on yadh-habu. First, we need to remove the prefix ya and the ending u from the hint and add to it the present prefixes and endings, but most importantly, do not forget to add la between the subject and the verb. So, أنا لا أذهب, أنت لا تذهب, أنت لا تذهبين, هو لا يذهب, هي لا تذهب, نحن لا نذهب, أنتم لا تذهبون, and هم لا يذهبون. Some examples. أنا لا أذهب إلى المطار. أنت لا تذهب إلى المكتب. نحن لا نذهب إلى الشركة. In this lesson, we conjugated verb not to go in the present using la to negate it, and we saw it in meaningful sentences.